Work hard for tomorrow's happy life. One of my faculty member is keeping this type of WhatsApp status. Even today also it is there. Work very hard for tomorrow's happy life. Can you tell, is this statement the correct statement? Are you respond, friend?
No, sir.
Work very hard for tomorrow's happy life. What about today happy life, man? What about today happy life? This thing is also must be required, right? So make sure life means not only money. Life means not only work. All the things must be required. That balance must be required. That's what you people should be aware. Okay, so these are 7 things you have to take care very much. Health, relationships, family, purpose, friends, happy moments. All you require to take care. Only work, only work, only work, only money, only money, only money. It's not life. The other person is there. Why you are working this much, man? Boss, my target is I have to earn 10 crores. In the next 1 year, I require to earn, or next 2 years, I require to earn 10 crores. Once I got 10 crores, all my problems will be gone. Then I will be very happy. I can spend more time with my family like that. Then what will happen is, do you know, after earning 10 crores, he worked like anything. Really, 10 crores he earned. Still, he is going to work. Then I approached, Arey, why you are working? 10 crores are not enough, man. Compulsory, I have to make it at 25 crores. Oh, wonderful. Now another 3 to 4 years, keep on 24 hours full busy. Then what this person did is, 25 crores also earned. No time for family, no time for love, no time for health. Keep on earning. Then after 25 crores also earned, then I approach. Right, 25 crores you earned, right? Okay, now enjoy. No. 100 crores, 100. 100 crores I have to see. Then this person keep on working. What happened is, so almost after nearer to reaching 100 crores, this person died. Because he is always, what he is always doing? Earning money, neglecting everything. In the last minute, he is going to realize, I did a bigger mistake. I didn't take that much care about my health. So take very much special care. Life means all the things must be required, not only work and money. Now that person died, he earned almost 97-98 crores. What is the use of those crores? What is the cost of that 98 crores? Even this person is going for the, so maybe Swargam or Narkam, something is there, right? Hell, heaven or hell, what happened is, my kids are using the words heaven, hell, if this person is going for the hell or heaven, then what happened is, those people are going to be, the gatekeepers are there. Sorry, luggage is not allowed. Hurry, I earned my total life, 98 crores I earned, man. I want to carry these 98 crores. Sorry, single paisa also luggage is not allowed. You have to come. What is the use of earning all these things? That's why compulsory life means all perspectives, all the things must be required.